Hello, little learners. Welcome to our phonics fun. Today, we are learning a happy new letter. Letter H. Can you say H with me? Let's go. The letter H makes a special sound. Listen carefully. H says, let's find some words that starts with the letter H. Hat, hat, horse, horse, house, house, helicopter, helicopter. Great job. Let's sing a happy H song.
H is for hat that fits on my head. H is for horse, so strong and well fed. H is for house, where I love to stay. H is for helicopter flying away. Ha 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 ha, what a happy sound. H is the letter we just found.
Wow, you did an amazing job. Let's clap for the learning letter H. Do you want to learn more letters? Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun ABC songs. See you next time, little learners. Bye bye.